Welcome, blissful souls. Find a comfortable place to sit or lay down. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, hold, and out. In your mind's eye, I want you to imagine yourself sitting outside on the grass with a pond a few meters away from you. It's a beautiful day outside. The sun is out. You can hear the birds chirping, and you can feel the warm breeze against your face. It feels so peaceful, and the view is so serene. You have a pen and paper in your hands. Take a moment to think about what's been weighing you down lately. Don't overthink it, just notice what comes up. Now, I'll give you a moment in silence to begin writing it down on the piece of paper. Everything that's been carrying heavy weight on you. Now that you're done, gently fold the paper and place it into a small paper bag in front of you. You're no longer holding it. Continue sitting there, breathing in and out. In and out. A bird begins to approach you. The bird is coming closer, very calmly. The bird picks up the paper bag that's holding all your problems, that's been carrying heavy weight on you. And slowly, the bird flies away with it. And you're just watching the bird fly as far and far as it can into the distance until you can no longer see the bird. Continue to breathe in, and with every exhale, I want you to imagine to feel lighter and visualize the problem leaving you as well. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Take notice of how light your body feels right now. You gently stand up, and now you walk towards a pond in front of you. You take a seat. The water is calm and still. This is your moment. You're finally able to recharge. Begin repeating softly to yourself, I am free. I am safe. I am enough. I am loved. I am cherished. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I love myself. I am free. I am safe. I am enough. I am loved. I am cherished. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I love myself. I am free. I am safe. I am enough. I am loved. I am cherished. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I love myself. Now give yourself a hug and say to yourself, I am so proud of making it this far. You've always worked so hard. And today you deserve to take a break. And now, for the rest of the day, there is nothing you need to do. The problem that has been weighing you down has been sent away. It is no longer a part of you. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Much love. This is Blissful Affirming. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any meditations that I upload.